Innovate UK's net zero heat programme is driving faster innovations so the UK prospers from moving completely off gas for heating, space and water in buildings. The net zero heat cohort are UK companies that will play a huge role in delivering this, and we're working collectively to overcome barriers to their growth and scaling out. We'd like to share their stories.
Airex is a climate tech startup based here in London. We have a mission to fight fuel poverty and climate change. And we are doing this by providing smart home solutions that helps reducing energy demand, but without compromising air quality.
Our products will take the technology to solve the really complex problems around housing and heating homes and provide those responsible for housing with simple solutions to solve these complex problems.
We looked at a slightly overlooked area within buildings, which is air bricks, so simply bricks with holes in them to provide natural airflow. The issue is they're slightly over-ventilated, so research highlighted that they can lead up to 15% of a home's overall heat loss.
80% of the homes that will be in the UK in 2050 have already been built, and they need to be energy efficient if we're going to achieve net zero. So the big challenge is, how do we get those homes up to spec?
Essentially, Airex is a like-for-like replacement of an existing air brick. It uses IoT technology and sensors to regulate the airflow. So, for example, on an icy cold day, it keeps shut to maximize thermal efficiency, and when the conditions are humid, it opens up to let some fresh air in.
The brick is paired with a hub that's just simply a three-prong plug that's plugged into the home of the resident. That will then be connected to the Wi-Fi, and that will help gather that third-party data around weather and external temperatures to further optimize how the brick performs.
Airex is now recognized within the EPC framework, the Energy Performance Certificate. And if Airex is installed, it gives an additional 2 to 4 EPC point uplift on an average property. So it's a huge game changer because it can now be fully subsidized for social landlords, and most importantly, the tenants can access our products for free. The Innovate UK Net Zero Heat programme has helped us in numerous different ways. Firstly, it's a peer-to-peer group where we are sharing similar challenges, sharing ideas with other innovators, other entrepreneurs, and we know that we're never really alone in this journey. There are so many touch points.
I think the key thing is the way Innovate UK supports businesses through the journey of getting to market. So yes, some funding at the front end to support technology development, but also then into introduction to customers, networks to enable trials and deployments, to get that field experience, and then through the regulatory space, Innovate UK being that body supporting and championing us through the journey to get approval to be able to get to scale and deployment in the marketplace. That's really valuable.
Since participated in the Net Zero Heat programme, our upwards trajectory has been very, very steep. We are at a very exciting point at the moment. We closed a Series A funding round. We deployed nearly 20,000 units commercially all over the UK. We are on track to quadruple our sales compared to last year. And really the next phase will be all about rapid scale to make sure that we can make an impact as quickly as possible.